for calling the Satellite Center. This is Kay. Can I have your name and number in case we get disconnected?
Hi, my name is Richard Fitswell, and my number is 509-536-4231.
Okay, Richard, what can I do for you today?
Well, my brother here, he'd like to talk to you, ask you about the service. His name's Johnson. He goes by Johnny. But the thing is, he's mildly retarded, so could you please be patient with him? Okay, well, here he is right now. Here's Johnny.
Hello.
Hello?
I want to ask a question.
Okay.
What kind of channels you offered?
In the America's Top 60 package,
Top 60.
it's over 100 channels,
Wow.
and that's over 60 cable channels, and that includes CNN, Discovery Channel, History Channel, the Disney Channel, MTV.
Disney, yay! I like the Disney Channel.
I like it too.
It's fun. Like a court TV?
Let me check if it has it.
I want the court TV.
It has Court TV.
To take the Michael Jackson trial.
Yeah.
I think it's over.
Yeah.
He lost.
What other kind of channels do
He
you...
lost. He lost.
Yep.
Jordan David pages. Sign up for Nancy Top 120. Don't get the meta top 20. Dialect channels.
But it has your Disney Channel on it.
You laughing at me?
It has Disney Channel, the Court TV.
I don't like court TV.
Oh.
Michael Jackson makes me really scared.
I don't like him either.
He has a plastic nose.
Yep, he does.
Once I saw a monster in my under my bed, and it looks just the same. Do you have the Bloomberg?
The Bloomberg TV is on the top 180 package.
Top 180.
And that's $40.99 for the first 3 months, and then it goes to $52.99 after the first 3 months.
Why? Why?
Why? Because it has over 275 channels.
I can only watch one at a time.
I know.
275 times the minutes to watch equals 5 days. Can I get free stuff?
You can get the equipment's free and the installation's free.
Free the service for 1 year. Hello?
I'm here.
For 1 year.
Yep, it's a
Free.
1-year contract.
For free.
And you get free HBO and Showtime for the first 3 months.
For free.
For 3 months.
Free. Dick. Dick, come here! Can you help me? Help me, Dick. Help me. 1 second.
Okay.
Help me tell the that help me with the fee.
He wants to know, do you have any free channels that are included in this package?
There's no free channels. It's all in the package.
He's unhappy. Are you okay? You okay? Do you need a break? Hey, calm down. Calm down. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okay? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Hey.
All the channels that are in the package, that's what's in there. And then there's free Showtime and HBO for the first 3 months.
Okay, he just got confused.
Dick put his hand down my pants, please help.
No, you were watching too much Michael Jackson, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, no, he just
he didn't really put his hand down my pants.
One
I
second.
was joking.
1 second. I'm trying to help her, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
I'm sorry.
He got confused. He was looking at the brochure and he thought that you had some free channels. He saw free several times on here.
Uh-huh.
You know, so he got a little bit confused, and I was trying to, calm him down and straighten it out. You know, it's not, they don't have free channels. They just have, some, what is it? What actually is free here?
It's free Showtime and HBO for the first 3 months. The installation's free. The equipment's free.
Oh, this list is all free. I got confused from your brochure, too.
Free.
So, all this stuff is free, but it says 60 channels free, but only for 3 months, right?
The first 3 months for the America's Top 60 is $19.99.
Top 60. That's like top 40.
No, they're channels, not music stations.
Top 40.
Anyway, all right, so it's free for 3 months. After that, how much is it?
For the first 3 months, the only things that are free were the HBO and Showtime. And it's $19.99 a month for the America's Top 60, which actually is over 100 channels.
Uh-huh.
Then it goes to $31.99.
Why did top 60 is more than 100?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's kind of confusing.
You don't know?
Who wrote this brochure? I'm confused, and I'm not even retarded.
I know. I don't understand it either. I think because it's over 60 cable channels.
Mm-hmm.
So it's at least 60 cable channels. I think that's where they get it from.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, there's this free digital video recorder, too?
Uh-huh, the recorder's free, and there's a 17 cents a day programming fee.
Is there, like a manual, like a section in the manual that is, for disabled people so they can understand how to program
I don't know
VCR?
if there is.
Basically, they would have to have that section for everyone because most people, how they can't program VCRs and all.
Make it easy.
Yeah, they need to make it easy.
Make it easy.
They need to come out with retard-friendly,
Hey!
brochure. Sorry, I'm joking.
That's not funny.
It's all a joke. Just like friendly brochures that make it easier to, to read.
Yeah, well, when the installer comes to the house, he goes over how to use it.
Okay. So, will I have to be there? Or can you handle it?
I can do it.
Okay. Just don't spaz out on him.
Just make sure you lock up the knives.
I'll make sure. They're always locked. Yeah, there was
Put on the chain.
Yeah, we have to be careful, It's kind of...
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, do you need any more help, or can you handle it?
They said that I can be a little bit violent. But I'm nice.
No, those are just rumors. You're
I didn't do it.
He didn't do it.
I was never on court TV.
Do you think you can handle it?
I think that's good. Thank you, lady.
You're welcome.
You have a very nice day.
You too.
It was fun talking to you.
It was fun talking to you also.
I hope you have a very nice day.
I will, thank you.
Then it was fun talking to you. Did you understand?
Did understand you.
Have a nice day and thanks for talking. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, lady.